Good morning, everyone. We have first period of mathematics. It's 15 July 2020, class 10th, exercise 5.2. We have the formula. Before starting with exercise, I'm telling you the formula. We have the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Or if we have given the last term, that means L, the formula will be L is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Where to use this formula, I will be letting you know. Don't worry about that. See the very first question. In the first question, table is given to you. Yes or no? In that table, 4 values are given. Out of 4, 4 things are given. Out of 4, 3 values are given and 1 we have to find. So, the first part. A is 7, D is 3, N is 8. Okay? We have to find AN. We have a direct formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. I have put the values on the particular places and I find the answer. Please look at it very carefully. See the second part. A is given to us, D is not given to us, N is given to us, and N is 0. I put the value. First of all, I have taken this minus 8 into this side. It will become positive. 10 minus 1, 9, 9D. Cancel out with a 9 to 18, comes out to be 2. Got it? Do the remaining parts. Question number 2, choose the correct choice. First of all, you have to solve it, then only you can choose the correct choice. 38th term of the AP. 38th term means n is equal to 30. 10, 7, 4, dash, dash is. That means A is 10, D is 7 minus 10 is minus 3, because A2 minus A1. N is equal to 30. 38th term we have to find. So A30 we have to find. I have told you yesterday, to find any term, for example, A5, it will be A plus 4D. Now A30 will be A plus 29D. So A is 10, 29 remain as it is, minus 3, D is minus 3, multiplied with minus 3. 10 minus 87 is equal to minus 77. You can easily find it. No issues in that. Now see the second part. Now see the second part. Minus 3 minus 1 upon 2 to find the 11th term. We have find the D, minus 1 upon 2 minus 3. Taking the LCM, D comes out to be 5 by 2. A11 we have to find, A plus 10D. In the same manner I have done it. Cancel 10 by 2, that is 5, 5 is 25. Minus 3 plus 25 comes out to be 22. Now the next question, question number 3. In the following AP, find that missing term. One box is given which is vacant, we have to find that value. There are so many ways to find this value. I find this is the most interesting and the smallest way. A1 is given to us, A2 is blank, and A3 is 26. As we know, the common difference is same whenever anything is given in the AP. If the common difference is same, that means D is equal to A2 minus A1 and D is equal to A3 minus A2. There are two equations. Equate both the equations. A2 minus A1 is equal to A3 minus A2. A2 will come one side, it will become twice A2 and A3 plus A1, 26 plus 2, 28. A2 comes out to be 14. Please do the remaining parts. Now question number 4, which term of an AP is 78? Now, it's a huge difference. Now, AN is equal to 78 because is given. AP is given, dash 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 is 78. That means it is given AN. If it is 3, 8, 13, 18, dash 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 78, it would have been a last term. But now is there, so it will be AN only. Apply the formula and find the answer. If the answer comes in the whole number, then only a term can be in AP, otherwise it cannot be in AP. If any answer is coming in fraction, that means if the value of n is coming in the fraction, that means it is not a part of an AP or that term is not the term of an AP. Question number 5, do it yourself. Question number 6, check whether minus 150 is a term of an AP. A is given, D is given, and AN, that is minus 150 is given. Again applying the formula, minus 50 is equal to A11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3, that means d. Taking 11 to this side, this will become minus 11. By adding minus minus plus, minus 161 is equal to multiplied minus 3 with n and minus 3 with minus 1, that comes out to be plus 1. Now minus 161 minus 3, this plus 3 will go this side. Minus 164 is equal to minus 3n, minus minus get cancelled. 164 upon 3, that means it is in fraction, so if the value of n is in a fraction, it cannot be a part of an AP. Got it? Now do these questions. This is a very interesting chapter which you will be handling it in class 11th and 12th also, so please do it very carefully. God bless you all of you, complete your work.